Now our Team 3 coverage of the severe weather continues with a look at some of the flash flooding being caused by all of this heavy rain.
Yeah, WREG's Melissa Moon joins us live at Southern and Josephine tonight, where the underpass there has been covered in water. Melissa, what's the situation like now?
Well, this afternoon, Memphis police had to rope off with caution tape this underpass at this railroad bridge today after at least 3 cars got stuck under there, stalled in that water. We talked to one driver who said they just came into the entrance of the bridge and the vehicle just stopped. When they got out of the car, they were knee deep in water. We can see around here there is a lot of flooding that happened during those storms today. You can see right here the water that is coming out of this manhole cover here. And over on Highland Street, they were having some trouble. The drivers over there were having trouble. Now the water over on Highland Street has since gone from that area, but as you can see, it still looks like a lake under this bridge tonight. And it's a warning to all motorists that if you don't know how deep the water is, don't take a chance. It only takes about 6 inches of water for your vehicle to stall. For your news leader in the University of Memphis area, Melissa Moon, WREG News Channel 3.
All right, we're seeing flash flooding all over town. Thank you, Melissa.